Hey, welcome to Automation Partners AI. Today we will learn how to set up SMTP so you can send mails when you're searching leads. For example, you're a SE or air conditioning system sellers to HVAC contractors who will sell your systems or central units to homeowners when they are providing service just in case it's required. If you're a air conditioning system manufacturers productions, you know pretty much well how you deal with HVAC contractors, and you're looking for HVAC contractors. Okay, so in that perspective, you're looking for HVAC contractors around Illinois. It's already showing up, and you're looking for around 20 radius. And if you go with that, if they find any mails, it will start sending mails automatically, and for that you need to set up the SMTPs. Okay, so it takes nothing more than 3 or 10 seconds maximum, and you can see that it starts sending the mails. So it found 5 mails and it's gonna send, and it will start sending. You will also able to see how many mails is failed just in case some mails are not legit or available anymore, or not working, or not receiving any kind of marketing mails. Okay, so AI, the lead gen Z AI agent, will send the mails. You don't need to type anything, you don't need to do anything. Every single time you scrap, you search, all the time our lead gen Z AI agent will send that specifically mails that will help you to generate sales on without violating any your SMTP or mail spam or blacklist, because it's well trained and very professional. Okay, I mean our lead gen Z AI agent is well trained and very professional, and you need to set up this SMTP settings. So I'm not gonna do that because this account is already well set, and I don't want you to show any personal information over here. So I'm gonna log out, and I'm gonna log in a test account, which is this one. This is a test paid account, where you can see I have 19 balance, and you can see most of them, these fields need to be required to finish and filled. You can see red star marks. These are very important to fill up, otherwise the legends you will not able to work as you expected. You can see all that need to be filled up well. Okay, so you can go with host armada. You can buy from our link on the descriptions, or you can buy directly from them. It's really up to you. If you buy from our link, it will be highly appreciated. And just like you see how we added, you just buy a domain or you added the domain. It's pretty much easy. There are lots of tutorials. You can just go over here on the domains. You can add over here. You can share the name server just like you do in GoDaddy and others. Okay, so I'm not going to show you over here, but if it necessary, you can also use others. Like there are many others SMTP provider, like a Mailgun. uh, there are many, so I'm not gonna mention about those. You know already, and if you don't know, you can search on Google who provide the SMTP with mail service. But this is very easy. Just in case if you're not tech savvy, you just buy it, connect your domain or buy domain from them, and go to the cPanel, go to the mail accounts. You you can make as many mails you want. You can see I made many mails, and there's no limit. So, and the price is very affordable. So I will just create, and I will choose which mails. Let's say test my mails. I'm just creating a test my mails. Uh, but for your kind information, do not use these mails, because after making this video and uploading, I'm gonna delete that. So even if you try, this will not work. Okay. Sorry. So I already have the mails. I have a password. Now let's create. Okay, so I'm gonna find the mails, and I will check the mails over there, and let's go to the round cube. Okay, so here all the information is given that need to be added over here. So you have to make it show, otherwise you will not able to input anything over here. Sorry. So user ID will be the mail ID. Password we already have. SMTP server is given over there, maybe. Okay. Yeah, so it's gonna outgoing. So I'm gonna add the outgoing since both are same, and the SMTP port is 465. You can use both. I recommend SSLs, and we need to know what the name. It's a dummy name, dummy accounts, enter part is dummy. Don't try to use that. Okay. So we also need to add a test mail so we can see how it will look like. Make sure you update first. Okay. So SMTP info update successfully. So I'm gonna test the mails. I mean, we have to test the mail. So if that mail get successfully, means when you search the leads, our leads and ZAI agent will able to send the mails to those leads that follow warm-up mail policy of Google, Yahoo, all kind of big companies, also promotional, professional promotional mails. So let's click on the test mails and wait for a while because it's gonna send the mails and we're gonna test it. It might be take some time because testing mails not more than 3 to 10 seconds or 15 seconds highestly. And this is the test mail where I supposed to get any mails. If your DMARC is not set up properly, you might not able to receive any mails. However, I don't have any DMARCs issues. I have my own DMARCs, so I have to wait a couple of minutes. Sorry, couple of seconds. You also have a business compliance. You can, if you have a compliance, let's say you're a solar company, you have many compliance, you can add all your compliance. Our legions, the areas, and we'll follow the compliance and start mailing to the homeowners or any kind of contractors, solar contractors or solar manufacturers by following that. Let's say you're affiliated with the solars, that can be also done. Or you have any constructive, any specific restricted affiliate marketing products like health products, sensitive products like arms, health, CBDs. You can add the compliance over here. So there are some errors sometimes coming up, but it's not a problem. You can contact with the supports. They will fix that up instantly. We have 24/7 supports. You don't need to wait for long. And you see it test is verified, so you don't need to worry about. It's mean when you see the green light means no matter the test is fails or not, you will your mail will be sent. So I have done all the red marks requirements already except the one thing is Gemini AI. So I need a Gemini AI, and we need to go into Google, like sorry, Gemini Studio. And when we find the Gemini Studio, we need to create an API, and we can just create an API over here. And there you have to have a Google Cloud Console projects, and you have to add a business, payment plans over there, and then you will see this great API able to create an API keys. You can see already all the projects over here is showing up. So let's get started with the creating API keys. Let's go with the creating my first projects. Okay, so copy the API keys, and you know the plan. So the first every single month you get a 10 million approximately 1.5 flash Gemini's API. So click on the shows, or just click on one of them that you want. Update. Okay, so API key update successfully. If it's a wrong API key, it will not show up as a successful key. So now we have everything. Alright, we can also test our API keys are working fine by going into the blogs. If the blog is not generating, that means you are giving the wrong API key. If the SEO is not working, you gave a wrong API key. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna search some leads. Now let's get over to searching. Okay, so let's say as you're last time you was an HVAC, now you're a cleaner, like a cleaner. You're looking for cleaners, so you can sell some product related to cleaner to them. Or you're a then you're looking for somebody around the New York, and it's around the 20 miles radius. Turn on the mail, go, and we wait a couple of seconds, like around 5 to 15 seconds, and we get leads. It start mailing. If mail is failed, means your SMTP setup is not done properly, and your DNS is not set up, your DMARC, SPF, and your DKIM is not set up properly, and your mails and the settings, all the star marks that need to be done feel properly is not done properly. So we need to wait a couple of seconds, 15 seconds to sometimes take 20 seconds, depends on how many times you keep searching for leads. And if it's not able to get the leads, it will also tell you why it's not able to do that, and you need to work on that and fix. So it's not so hard, not a tech savvy. If you want to know how to do the Google Cloud Console API keys generating, you can see into another video on I button on the top right, where it's already explained very well. Also, you can search our blogs on blog.automationpartners.ai with AI power categories, where you see step-by-step leads and see how to set up, and it will guide you everything end to end, A to Z of about our entire apps. Okay. So it's taking so long. Yeah, I already showed you previously that how it can search the lead and start mailing. So if you want, we can skip it. That's not a big deal. Let's wait a couple of seconds, like 20 to 30 seconds, to see the result. Okay, so it's occurs some error. Maybe my API key is wrong. Yeah, I kicked out because I was an idle for a couple of minutes, so it can be happened for security purpose. And maybe my API key is wrong, or maybe my API key I already deleted previously. So I will try something else, like chiropractors, and no, not chiropractors. Yeah, let's do this. California. Okay, California, and start 20 radius. Let's try it. Let's see if we can find anything or not. I hope so. Okay, we found some, and we start mailing. So it started mailing, and here we go. So if you still facing any issues with that, then hit me up or talk with the support.automationpartners.ai, and we are always happy to help you. Okay, but make sure you set up everything over here properly, uh, and done properly, and have a great day and stay safe.